Hello, is everybody ready for this today? Was anybody there? So I'm Shelley. I'm one of Dr. Allison's Vibrational Upgrade practitioners. And today we're on day 20, sending love and support to the healthcare workers on the front lines during this Covid-19 pandemic. And so if you are here returning today, I just want to say thank you for stepping up and being here today, being here every day actually, to send your love and your support to those who really need it. If you're new here, welcome. Every day at 3 o'clock, we are here focusing on a specific area to send healing and loving energy to those that need it on the front lines. And so today we're going to focus on Alabama and Mississippi. So if you haven't already, I would love it if you could continue to watch our replays so that we can continue to support the areas that we've already covered. First, I would like to get started by doing a vibrational upgrade clearing to support you in all that you may be going through, any upsets or challenges due to this pandemic. Then we'll do the energy sends to Mississippi and Alabama, and then we'll do a washing of the COVID-19 off of the planet. Hi Shannon, hi Diane, hi Lori, hi Susan. So let's get started with the vibrational upgrade clearing. So anywhere and everywhere where you're feeling frustrations, impatience, overwhelm, anxiety, upset, exhaustion due to the COVID-19 pandemic, any and all free-floating thoughts, conscious evaluations and beliefs around I'm tired, I've had enough of this already, I can't take it anymore, any oaths, vows, swearings, decisions, judgments, conclusions and computations of I'm not strong enough, I can't do this anymore, my life is never going to be the same, when's it going to get back to normal? Any mild shock or trauma that could lead to PTSD stemming from COVID-19. Are you willing to burn that all up with the flames of transmutation? This is where you say yes to bring in the energy further. And then we can also take in a deep breath, bring it in further as well. A deep, long exhale. Anywhere where you're feeling frustration and irritability or with those around you. Any frustration and anger against the news and the lack of clarity of the information that they're bringing to you. Any anger towards judgment that's being made about the lawmakers and what they're doing and what they're not doing. Anger towards those who feel like the lawmakers are using this to control their lives or take their rights away. Where they're not taking this seriously, where they're not stepping up, doing their part as we all get to the other side of this. Let's burn all of that up with the flames of transmutation. What about fears and worries and stress about finances, financial well-being? Am I ever going to be the same financially? Am I ever going to recover from this financially? Am I going to have to start all over again financially? Those who have wiped out their nest egg just to survive. Let's burn all of those worries and fears up with the flames of transmutation. Let's also include any resistance to social distancing, any fears or anxiety around being alone if you're alone, or those of your loved ones that are alone right now. Any fears and anxieties around them and their well-being and their mental stability right now because they're alone and you can't get to them. Let's burn that up with the flames of transmutation. Let's activate the upgrade now. Any latent keys and codes and hidden talents and ancient wisdom. Any gifts within you and blessings and supports, all that is named coming into alignment with your highest divine blueprint and your highest possibilities and potential to be realized. Let's activate the upgrade now. Okay, so let's go into the energy send for the states of Alabama and Mississippi. Give me a minute. Open it, etheric 2. So, if you're an energy practitioner, feel free to go ahead and send your loving support energy the way that you do it. If you're not an energy practitioner, you can either visualize the violet flame pouring down, or this beautiful white effervescent purifying light. It's a bubbling white light flowing down. So let's go ahead and we're going to cover Mississippi, Alabama, and I'll walk you through those states in a minute, some of the healthcare facilities. But let's visualize the light coming down, pouring down from the building, over the buildings, over the hospitals, over the healthcare facilities, including senior care facilities, any supporting sites such as testing sites, makeshift hospitals, research facilities. Let's pour this bubbling white, beautiful light, cleansing, purifying, flowing down over these sites, filling each site and all that work there right now or in the future that are home right now resting. Let's support each site to keep them running smoothly and efficiently. All the personnel there, all the doctors, nurses, technicians, administrators, maintenance, janitorial staff, personnel providing food and logistics, Any and all people supporting each of the facilities, all of their families supporting them so they can be there and be present and concentrate and focus on what they need to do. Let's continue to send this light. Let them perceive and accept it should their higher self allow it. This light, this love, the healing energy so that it surrounds their being with love, support, upliftment, vitality. May it boost their immune system so they stay strong and healthy. Boost their morale, give them something to smile about today or even laugh about today. Give them hope and inspiration so they can come up with new ideas and how to overcome any difficulties they may be facing or problems. Let's just continue to send them this bubbling, effervescent, purifying white light. So we're going to start down to the state of Alabama. I'm actually going to start at the coast and go up. And then we're going to go west to the top of Mississippi and back down. We're going to do a complete circle. So Mobile, Alabama. We're supporting Providence Hospital, USA Health University Hospital, Spring Hill Medical Center, USA Children and Women's Center, Bay Point Hospital, Premier Medical Group, Medicor Hospital, Soma Hospital, supporting any and all that were named and not named in the Mobile, Alabama, and surrounding areas. Keep this light flowing northward to Montgomery, Alabama, supporting Jackson Hospital, Baptist Medical Center, Encompass Health, Northland Hospital, and VA Healthcare System. And any and all hospitals, healthcare facilities, not named. Know this energy is going to go where it's most needed, whether we name it or not. We're going to continue to go northward to Birmingham, to UAB, University Hospital, St. Vincent, Granville Medical Center, Princeton Baptist Medical, University of Alabama Hospital, and Children's Hospital of Alabama. So it's a Birmingham and sweeping northward from east border to west border of the state. Let's go up to the northern border at Huntsville area and all surrounding areas. We're hitting Huntsville Hospital, Crestwood Medical Center, Madison Hospital, Blackwell Medical Tower, Governor's Medical Tower, and Fresno Medical Center. Illuminating all of Alabama and supporting energy and light Now we're going to go westward, across the border to Mississippi. We're going to hit the northern 1/3 of Mississippi. It's pretty rural up there. So all the rural communities up there, and North Mississippi Medical Center, Baptist Memorial, Magnolia Regional, Tippah County Hospital, University of Mississippi Medical Center, and any and all that have not been named. The northern part of Mississippi. This light's flowing down. Let's flow down to Jackson, central part of Mississippi, St. Dominic Hospital, Merritt Health Center, University of Mississippi Medical Center, Veterans Hospital, Children of Mississippi Hospital, Baptist Health System, and Central Mississippi Health Center. Sweeping southward, Hattiesburg to Forest General, Merritt Health Wesley, Hattiesburg Clinic, Baptist Life, Heart South Medical Center, and Wesley Hospital. And south even further, all the way down to the coast, Biloxi, Kessler Medical Center, Gulf Coast VA Health System, Ocean Spring Hospital, Fresno Medical Care, Cedar Lake Center, and Garden Park Medical Center. And any and all in the state of Mississippi that were not named, all healthcare systems, healthcare facilities, hospitals, supporting services. Now I want to invite you to go ahead and either name out loud or in the chat anyone that you have special concern about. Yes, Valerie, Cape Coral, Gulf Coast area. Hi. Bruce and Sue. Yes. I also want to include, they were just hit hard with tornadoes, so I want to include anybody that was just affected last night in Mississippi and Alabama who've lost their homes and sometimes their loved ones. Those are pretty dangerous storms that went through. So let's bring them into the energy now. Healing Support and Healthcare Workers Group, yes, and their families and friends, Susan says. All essential workers. Kohita and Dahlia. Lisa Ranzo. Sorry if I'm mispronouncing. Cassio. Okay. Buffalo, New York, Erie County. Medical chaplains and clergy serving this crisis, yes. Detroit, yes. So we're going to go into moving this energy outward from Alabama and Mississippi. This bubbling, washing, cleansing energy. We're going to concentrate on washing the COVID-19 virus. From the planet. So please move. It's going to be moving forward east, all the way to the southeast, east of Alabama, Mississippi, all the way to the Florida coast, up the North Carolina, South Carolina, as well as moving west through Louisiana, Texas, all the way through to the west coast to California. This energy is flowing north now, sweeping north from east coast to west coast of the United States, all the way up through to Canada, and south through Mexico, Central America, South America, sweeping, cleansing COVID-19 off the planet. It's now reaching both north and south poles. And it's sweeping now east and west across the oceans. In the east, Iceland, Ireland, the UK, all the way down through Europe, all the way down through Africa, the Middle East countries, sweeping west from the United States through to Russia, China, hitting Australia, meeting up and covering the entire globe. This beautiful, bubbling energy, cleansing and dissipating COVID-19. All right, I'm going to close it all up. That was beautiful. Thank you so much again for being here. And please do continue to watch our replays to continue to support those areas. Bye.